Hi dear students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to construct rhombus. Okay, first type was draw a rhombus of sides 4 centimeter and one of the angle between them is 30 degree. How do we construct that? See, here we have the figure. See, this one is a rhombus. 4 sides 4 centimeter. All sides are equal. For a rhombus we know that all sides are equal. Then this angle and this angle are equal. And what about these two angles? They are supplementary angles. That means if this angle is equal to 30 degree, this one is equal to 150 degree. Okay, so here one angle is equal to 40 degree, then what will be this angle? That angle is equal to 140 degree. Okay, so rhombus means all sides are equal. Opposites angles are equal. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Okay, so keep in mind all the properties of rhombus. Then we are going to construct this rhombus. Okay, so we need to draw a rhombus of sides 4 centimeter and one of the angle 30 degree. Okay, for that here I am going to draw one straight line. Okay, one line like this. Then what will be one angle? Yes, we know that. Yes, one angle is equal to 30 degree. So first measure that 30 degree here. Okay, 30 degree here. Then what is one side of that? One side is equal to 4 centimeter. Then measure that 4 centimeter here. Okay, this 4 centimeter, mark that 4 centimeter here. This length is 4 centimeter. Then see children, what will be this angle? If we draw a side here, what will be that angle? That angle is equal to 150 degree. Okay, then what about this angle? That angle is also equal to 30 degree. 150, 30. We know that in a line, angles. In a line, the sum of angles, if we draw another line, the sum of angles is equal to 180 degree. So here also I am going to measure 30 degree. Okay, so 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. So next is, here I am going to draw this line. Okay, similarly from this point also I am going to draw that line. Okay, these two lines. Then what will be this angle? This angle is equal to 30 degree. This angle is equal to 30 degree. Okay, and what about the angle of the rhombus? Yes, for the rhombus this angle is equal to 150 degree. We need this angle. Okay, not this angle. So next is all the four sides are 4 centimeter. Then measure 4 centimeter on here. Okay, similarly mark here also a 4 centimeter. Okay, so just join that. Then we get our rhombus of all the four sides 4 centimeter and one of the angle 30 and the second angle is 150. Okay, if we construct this, we can rub the unwanted parts. Okay, it is not necessary. If you want, you can rub the unwanted lines. Okay, we no need of this 30 degree, this line and this extra line. If you want, you can rub that. Okay, our next type is draw a rhombus of diagonals 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So here we have diagonals. What are the specialities of diagonal of a rhombus? We know that the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Okay, perpendicular bisectors of each other. That means the angle between the diagonal is equal to 90 degree. And see, one of the diagonal is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter means what about this length? That length is equal to 3. Similarly, this length is also equal to 3. And this is 4 centimeter. Total length of the diagonal is 4 centimeter. So this part is equal to 2. This part is equal to 2. What is the reason? Because the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Okay, using this property, next we are going to construct a rhombus with the diagonals 6 centimeter. So we know diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Okay, so here I am going to draw the first diagonal. Okay, what is the length of the first diagonal? First diagonal's length is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, now I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector. We know that the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So perpendicular bisector, I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line. How do we draw? Yes, for that take more than half of this 6 centimeter on your compass. Okay, you can take 4 or 5 for that. Okay, then keeping this point as center, draw an arc. Similarly, this here also draw one arc. Okay, then keeping this point also as center, draw another arc like this, and here also one arc. Okay, so this one is a perpendicular. Now just join these two line. Okay, then see what will be this length. This total length is equal to 6 centimeter. Then what will be the length of the second diagonal? That diagonal is equal to 4 centimeter. That means 2 centimeter upward and 2 centimeter downward. Okay, so 2 here and 2 here. Okay, so these two are the diagonals. One is this diagonal and second one is this diagonal. Then just join the ends. We get a rhombus of diagonals 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is the next construction. So if we have the length of the diagonals, is this is the second diagonal with the 4 centimeter. Okay, so we can draw a rhombus if the diagonals are there, and if sides and angles are there, then also we can construct a rhombus. Okay, do these two constructions in your notebook. Okay, now we have some questions on page number 118. We need to draw a rhombus of diagonal 5.5 centimeters and 3 centimeters in your notebook. Okay, a rhombus of diagonal 5.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So as we did in the last problem, first draw a diagonal of length 5.5 centimeter, then draw its perpendicular bisector, then on that line mark 3 centimeter. Okay, then just join that. Similarly, a rhombus of diagonal 3.5 centimeter and 5.5 and 3.5. Okay, for that we need to draw two lines. That is, one line is 5.5 centimeter and another is 3.5. Okay, bisects both lines. Then take half of the lines and complete our rhombus. Okay, so that are the two types of rhombus. Next we are going to construct parallelograms. Okay, here we have parallelogram with the sides 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and angle between them is 50 degree. How do we construct this? Next we are going to construct different types of parallelogram. First one, draw a parallelogram of sides 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter and one angle 50 degree. Okay, so how do we construct that? See, one side is 6 centimeter, other side is 3 centimeter and one angle is equal to 50 degree. How do we construct this? Yes, as we did in the case of rhombus. Yes, just draw a line. Okay, simply draw a line of, simply draw a line like this. Okay, more than 6 centimeter, draw a line like this. Then what is this angle? That angle is equal to 50 degree. So first measure 50 degree here. This angle 50 degree. Okay, now what about the length of the base? One side, that is equal to 6 centimeter. So then mark 6 centimeter here. Okay, 6 centimeter. Then again, as we did in the case of rhombus, just draw an angle of 50 degree at this point also. Okay, then draw that lines. Yes, one is this angle second one is this one. Okay, then what is this angle? This angle is equal to 50 degree. And what about this angle? That is equal to 130 degree. Okay, since this angle is equal to 50 degree, we have this angle is equal to 130 degree. Okay, then this side is equal to 6 centimeter. Then what about this side? Second side is equal to, yes, 3 centimeter. So just mark on this line 3 centimeter. Similarly here also. Okay, just join that. So this is our parallelogram with the sides 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter and angle between them is 50 degree. Okay. Our next type was draw a parallelogram with the sides 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and a diagonal 7 centimeter. That means we need a parallelogram. This one is a parallelogram with the two sides. One side is 5, second side is 3 and the diagonal is 7 centimeter. How do we construct this? Okay, for that, yes, first step is draw the base. Okay, what is the base here? 5. So first draw a line of length 5 centimeter. Okay, then first we are going to construct this triangle. This one is a triangle actually. Okay, if this side is equal to 3 centimeter, what will be this side? That is also equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, and this is equal to 7 centimeter. So on your compass, take 3 centimeter. Okay, so just mark 3 here like this. Okay, then keeping this point as center, draw another arc of 7 centimeter. Okay, take 7 centimeter on the compass, then keeping this point as center, draw 7 centimeter arc here. Okay, then mark the intersecting point, then just join. Yes, so we have, okay, so this is our figure. Then next is, see, this length is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so next we are going to draw 5 centimeter. So next we need to complete the other section. So keeping this point as center, draw a 5 centimeter line arc like this, and keeping this point as center, draw another arc with the, yes, this one as 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is our parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram with the sides. This is 5 centimeter, this is 5, this is 3, this is 3 and this one is 7. Okay, our next type is draw a parallelogram with one side 5 centimeter and the diagonals are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, two diagonals. See, here we have that figure. Look at this figure. See, this side is equal to 5 centimeter and one diagonal is 8 centimeter and one diagonal, second diagonal is 6 centimeter. We know that the diagonals bisects each other. Okay, diagonal bisects each other. That means this length is 4, this length is 4. This one is equal to 3, this one is equal to 3. Okay, so how do we draw this? For that, yes, first draw a line of length 5 centimeter. Then first complete this triangle. Okay, then 3 here, 4 here, like that. Okay, just draw that. First draw the base. What is one side of the parallelogram? 5 centimeter. So first draw that 5 centimeter. Okay, then on your compass we need, yes, what about the diagonals? Yes, this is the figure. Okay, 5 centimeter. This one is 4, this one is 8 and this one is 6. That means this equal to 4, this equal to 4, this one is 3, this one is 3. So first we are going to construct this triangle. Okay, so base 5 centimeter, two sides of 4 and 3. So on your compass take 4 and 3. Okay, so first I am going to take 4 centimeter. Okay, so keeping this point as center, draw an arc of length 4 centimeter. Then 3 centimeter. Okay, keeping this point as center. Yes. Then this length is equal to 4. Okay, if we extend this to 4 more centimeter, we get our, yes, 8 centimeter diagonal. Okay, now our second diagonal is 3, right? 3 plus 3, 6. So take 6 on that. So 6 centimeter here, measure 6 centimeter and must pass through this point. Okay, so then just join here. So this is our parallelogram. So this is our parallelogram. Now we are going to draw these figures in our notebook. First one is two equal rhombuses. How do we construct this figure? See, here we have this equal to 3 centimeter and this angle is equal to 80 degree. Then how do we construct this? Yes, using triangles we can draw this. Okay, so first simply draw a line like this. Okay, one straight line like this. Then if consider this as a triangle or this one as a triangle, this angle is equal to 80 degree, right? 80 degree. Then what will be these two angles? That two angles is equal to, yes, 180 minus 80, that is equal to 100 by 2. So these two angles are 50 degree each. Similarly, we have these two angles are 50 degree each and this equal to 3 centimeter and this one 50, this one 50, this one 50 and this equal to 50. Okay, using this idea we are going to construct this. Okay, so first step is, yes, draw a line 3 centimeter like this. Okay, then measure 50 degree. Yes, 50 degree and okay, then next one more 50 degree here. Okay, this is our second 50 degree. Second 50 degree. Okay, so these two angles 50 degree, 50 degree. Okay, then what will be this length? Yes, take this length on your compass. Okay, the same length is here. Okay, just mark here and here also. Okay, then join that two. What is its length? Yes, it is 3 centimeter. So yes, first part is over. Now what about the other two angles? Yes, measure 50 degree from here. And yes, 50 from this side also. Okay, then Similarly, measure 50 degree here also. So measure 50 degree here also. Okay. Then just to draw this. Okay. Then just okay. So this is our figure. So this length is equal to 3, 3 and this angle is equal to 80. So this is our figure. Now we have, yes, this figure, 3 equal rhombuses. Okay, draw this and this two are homework. Okay, so 2 homeworks. So thank you children.